Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to connect Pinterest to Shopify. So basically what you're going to have to do is simply go to Shopify and then simply go to the settings of your Shopify account, then simply go to apps and sales channels and then simply click on the Shopify App Store button. Now we're gonna get redirected to this marketplace. We're gonna have to simply search for Pinterest. As you can see, this is already on the first page for me. So if you can see it here, simply search for Pinterest here and then click on this one here, which is the official app, and then simply click on install. And then after that, you're gonna get redirected to Shopify here to your dashboard. We're gonna have to install the app and then simply log in into your Pinterest account. Now with this app you can set up ads, you can add basically you can create pins and link your Shopify with your Pinterest. As you can see, simply click on connect Pinterest account and then here you're gonna have to simply click on give access, and basically that's all you have to do. Now we're gonna have to set up these sales channels, and basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.